Biology. Biology. So today we will discuss biology. So we covered one by one topic in biology, and we completed it in many videos. I don't know exactly how much videos we make for this. So major branches of biology. Major branches of biology. Oneurology. 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 Oneurology is the study of. What is the study of? Which is the study of oneurology? ओनियोरोलॉजी में किस चीज़ की स्टडी करते हैं? तो ओनियोरोलॉजी इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ ड्रीम्स. तो ओरियोनोलॉजी इज़ द साइंटिफिक स्टडी ऑफ ड्रीम्स. इट कोरिलेट बिटवीन ड्रीमिंग एंड करेंट नॉलेज about the function of brain as well as understands how brain works during dreamings. Entomology, study of insect. Entomology, study of insect. Zoology, study of living animals. Anthology, study of flowers. Anthology, anthology, study of flowers. You should remember that. Anthology, एंथोलॉजी. एंथोलॉजी देखिए, एक होता है एंथ्रोपोलॉजी. एंथ्रोपोलॉजी. एंथ्रोपोलॉजी वो होता है ह्यूमन के लाने, ह्यूमनिटी के लाने. और ये एंथोलॉजी, स्टडी ऑफ फ्लावर्स आर कॉल्ड एंथोलॉजी. अ सब डिवीजन ऑफ बायोलॉजी. अ सब डिवीजन ऑफ बायोलॉजी, जेरेंटोलॉजी, is related to a scientific study of. A subdivision of biology, gerontology. A subdivision of biology, gerontology is related to a scientific study of older adults. So the study of old age is called gerontology. Gerontology is the study of physical aspects of aging, mental and social implications of aging based on medical concepts. It seeks to understand how aging bodies adjust to change in older years. Hence, gerontology is related to a scientific study of older adults. The study of cell is also known as cytology. The cytology is the branch of biology which deals the study of the cells as fundamental units of living things. Father of modern cytology is Robert Hooke. Who is the father of modern cytology? Is Robert Hooke. Cytology is related to the study of cells. Cytology is related to the study of cells. Cytology is the branch of biology which deals with the study of cells. The scientific and objective study of animal behavior is called ethology. It's called ethology. Ethology, the scientific and objective study of animal behavior, usually with a focus on behavior under natural conditions. Some of the main branches of biology are as follows. Entomology, study of insect. Ecology, study of the relationship of living things to each other and the environment. Pomology, study of fruits and its cultivation is called pomology. Euthenics, to improving the internal well-being of the human by improving the external factor of their environment. Euthenics, to improving the internal well-being, to improving the internal well-being of the human by improving the external factor of their environment. Sericulture, study of silk forming and silkworm. Sericulture. Sericulture is related to the rearing of silkworms. Sericulture is related to the study of silk या study of silk forming and silkworm. So paleontology is the discipline which deals with the study of the history of life on earth as based on fossils. तो पैलियोंटोलॉजी क्या होता है? PALAENTOLOGY, पैलियोंटोलॉजी. PALAEONTOLOGY, paleontology. Paleontology is the discipline which deals with the study of the history of life on earth as based on fossils. So paleontology is the study of history. Paleontology is the study of the history of life on earth as based on fossils. Main branch study. And ethology, study of human behavior, humans. Pedology, study of all aspects of soils, formation and plus type. Pedology. Bionomy, branch of science concerned with the law of life. Bionomy, branch of science concerned with the law of life. Bionomy. Anthology, study of flowers. Anthology, study of flowers. Oncology, deals with the prevention, diagnosis and treatment of cancer. Oncology. Osteology, study of the structure of bones. Osteology. Entomology, study of insect. Entomology. Bionics, study of mechanical system that function like living organism or part of living organism. Bionics. Gerontology, study of aging and older adults in human. The scientific study of fishes is called dendrology. Sorry, I guess wrong. The scientific study of fishes is called ichthyology. So ichthyology, study of fish. Pedology, study of soil. Ophiology, study of snake. Is the study or cultivation of fruit crops. Is the study or cultivation of fruit crops. Pomology. Pomology is the study or cultivation of fruit crops. Pomology. So what is the study of cultivation of fruit crops? Pomology. Pomology. Branch of botany that studies fruit and its cultivation. Father of pomology is Charles Darwin, who was an American pomologist. Each and every fruit crops are covered by this branch. Pomology. Which of the following term refer to podherb cultivation? Olericulture. So olericulture, the science of vegetable growing dealing with the culture of non-woody herbaceous plants for food. The term refers no further cultivation. Olericulture. Podar means the plant whose leaves, stems or flowers are cooked and eaten or used as seasoning. The branch of horticulture which deals with the production, storage, processing and marketing of vegetable is called olericulture. Olericulture, the branch of horticulture, the branch of horticulture, the branch of horticulture which deals with the production, storage, process and marketing of vegetable is called olericulture. Olericulture. Preservation of historical articles is done in science of epigraphy. Preservation of historical articles is done in science of epigraphy. Preservation of historical article is done in science of epigraphy. Epigraphy. Iconography. Iconography is the branch of art history which studies the identification, description and the interpretation of the content of image. Numismatics. Numismatics is the study and collection of coins, tokens and other coin like objects that people used as currencies throughout history. Museology. Museology refers to the study of museums and the history of their establishment and development. Which of the following is the study of fossils? The study of the fossils is called ethology, is the study of human behavior. Anthropology is the study of humanity. Etiology, paleontology, 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 paleontology is the study of the history of life on earth. It is the study of the history of life on earth as based on fossils. Fossils are the remains of the plants, animals, fungi, bacteria and single-celled living things that have been replaced by rock materials. Is the study of physical form and external structure of plant. Anatomy. I think anatomy. So we check it up. सी आएगा इसका. Is the study of the physical form and external structure of plants. Phytomorphology. So plant morphology or phytomorphology is the study of physical form and external structure of plants, whereas plants anatomy is the study of the internal plant structure, mostly at cellular level. In cytology, the study of the structure and function plants and animal cell acquire. Study of classification of organism is known as. Study of classification of organism is known as. Study of classification of organism is known as taxonomy. Study of classification of organism is known as taxonomy. Serpentology. Study of snakes. Study of snakes is called serpentology. Taxonomy. Study of classification of organism is called taxonomy. Study of classification of organism. Physiology, study of function and at the level of cells, tissue, organ system is called physiology. Virology, study of virus. The study of fungi is also known as mycology. Mycology is the branch of biology concerned with the study of fungi, including their genetic and biochemical properties, their taxonomy, and their use to human as a source for traditional medicine. Food and entheogens is as well as their dangers such as toxicity. The expert of fungi are known as mycologists. Is a practice of establishing and managing individual trees, generally for amenity purpose. Arboriculture. Arboriculture is a practice of establishing and managing individual trees, generally for amenity purposes. Is a scientific discipline concerned with the study of plant pollen, spores, and certain microscopic planktonic organisms in both living and fossil form. Palynology is the study of plant pollen, spores, and certain microscopic plankton organisms in both living and fossil forms. Herpetology is the branch of zoology concerned with the study of amphibians. Herpetology is the branch of zoology concerned with the study of amphibians. Herpetology, branch of zoology concerned with the reptiles and amphibians. Herpetology. Ethology, study of animal behavior. Mammalogy, study of mammals. Morphology, study of forms and structure of animal and plant. Is the study of microanatomy of cells, tissues, and organs as seen through a microscope. एंटोमोलॉजी होना चाहिए. Yes. Histology is the study of the microanatomy of cells, tissue, and organs as seen through a microscope. Histology is the study of the tissue and involves examining tissue or cells under a microscopic scope. Microanatomy, also called histology, is the microscopic study of tissue structure. The study of disease related to tissue is known as histopathy. The study of insect is called entomology. Study of insect, entomology. Anthropology, study of humans. Anthropology, study of humans. Anthropology. Ornithology, study of birds. Ornithology, study of birds. Ornithology. Geology, study of earth physical structure of substance. The scientific study of birds is called ornithology. 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 Which of the following is the study of insects and their relationship to humans, the environment and other organisms? Entomology. Dendrology is the study of woody plants. Dendrology is the study of woody plants. Dendrology, study of woody plants. Hydrology, study of water. Pedology, study of soils. Aerology, study of atmosphere. So today we discuss 25 question and we further discuss tomorrow.